Picture Windows Taylor offers homeowners a stunning way to enhance their views and increase natural light. With a variety of picture window styles Taylor residents can choose from, these installations not only beautify homes but also improve energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Taylor are essential for reducing energy costs and maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Custom window designs. Taylor provide a personalized touch, ensuring each home reflects the owner's unique style. Window replacement services. Taylor are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you're looking for double-hung windows Taylor or bay window installation Taylor, our expert team is ready to assist. Vinyl window options. Taylor offer durability and low maintenance, making them a popular choice among homeowners. For those in need of window replacement services, Taylor, our skilled technicians can address any issues promptly and efficiently. Insulated glass windows. Taylor are a smart investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. With a range of window frame materials Taylor available, homeowners can select the perfect match for their aesthetic and functional needs. Sliding window solutions. Taylor provide a sleek, modern look while maximizing space and light. Our window maintenance tips. Taylor help ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Picture windows. Taylor styles offer a variety of options to suit any home design. From traditional to contemporary, our window glazing options Taylor provide the perfect finishing touch. Residential window services. Taylor encompass everything from installation to maintenance, ensuring your windows perform optimally. Accurate window measurement services. Taylor are essential for a perfect fit and seamless installation. Window hardware options. Taylor add both functionality and style to your windows. Our window sealing techniques. Taylor ensure your home remains energy efficient and protected from the elements. For those seeking window cleaning services Taylor, our team provides thorough and reliable solutions. Window tinting options. Taylor offer privacy and UV protection, enhancing the comfort of your home. Window design consultation. Taylor offers personalized guidance to help you select the best options for your home. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional service and ensuring your satisfaction with every project. Whether you're interested in picture windows, Taylor installation, or exploring energy-efficient windows, Taylor, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive window services in Taylor MI. Window screen installation. Taylor is an important aspect of maintaining a comfortable and pest-free home environment. Our window security features Taylor provide peace of mind, protecting your home and family. With comprehensive window warranty services Taylor, you can trust in the quality and longevity of our products. Understanding window installation cost, Taylor helps homeowners budget effectively for their projects.